Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all the available article properties within the knowledge base functionality. For that reason, I'm going to select one of the articles that I've created already in my local iDashboards instance, which will take me to the view mode. I can view the article here, right? I can see who created it, when it was updated, any child articles, if any, right? Comments. But the more important part is the top right part. You see the icon for the home page, right? So here you can click, it brings you back to the home page. All these other icons are related to anybody that are capable to creating articles. So a viewer will not see these buttons. And we want to go to the last one, which is the gear symbol. I click on it and it will display to me all the available article properties that I have. Here, the article ID is being created whenever you save the article. That's done by the database, right? So in this case, this article ID is 16. Child articles, that property shows you the number of child articles that are assigned to this main article. In this case, it's 1. You can click on refresh and it will recalculate this number. Pin article is unselected here. By default, when you select it, this article will be pinned to the top of the list of all the other articles. Allow article comments is checked by default. If you uncheck, this comments area will not be displayed anymore. Show files to logged out users. That's a fairly new property, which is related to the ability to upload or attach files and documents to an article. This is by default checked, meaning if you have the public access functionality and you can see this article, you will see it with the file attached or the files attached. You can view the files that are attached and download them. If you uncheck that, the file attachments are not shown. Parent article property gives you the ability to change the article structure within this window here if you wanted to, right? The language allows you, if you're using different language packs, meaning if you have in the drop-down other languages than English, they will show up here. And if you have articles that are written in different languages, you can assign the appropriate language pack to that article and you can filter by certain languages. Reset votes allows you to reset the votes that are collected whenever you click on helpful or not helpful, right? That will reset all that to the default value. And then the last property is the permissions property that allows you on a group level to limit the view of articles for certain people if they belong to a certain group. And at the top here, you determine on the drop down if you want to allow no authentication. This is important for, again, the public access functionality. So if you have that available and you put that to no, that means that this particular article is now viewable by the public, meaning there's no authentication required. All right, these were all the articles that we wanted to look at. Those are the ones that we have currently available. I hope this was informative. Thank you for watching and have a great day.